The Possum Car Charm by StyleYGBS is a unique decorative accessory designed primarily for hanging on car rearview mirrors, but versatile enough to be used in various settings such as home or office spaces. This charm features a small crocheted opossum figure swinging on a string, wearing a pink fedora hat, which adds a whimsical and cute aesthetic to any vehicle or room. The charm is lightweight, weighing just over 0.3 ounces, and measures approximately 2.4 by 1 by 4 inches, making it compact enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. The main appeal of the Possum Car Charm lies in its ability to add a playful and charming touch to a car's interior, while also serving a practical purpose. The swinging motion of the charm is intended to help reduce driver fatigue by providing a gentle visual distraction during long or stressful drives. This feature is particularly highlighted by users who appreciate how the charm can refresh the driver's mind and contribute to a more relaxed driving experience. From a design perspective, the charm is crafted with attention to detail. The opossum's cute, slightly derpy appearance, combined with the pink fedora, creates a fun and endearing look that resonates well with animal lovers and those who enjoy quirky car decorations. The crochet material gives it a handmade feel, although some users have noted that the fuzziness of the wool is less than expected, which slightly diminishes the tactile appeal. User feedback on the charm is mixed but generally positive. Many reviewers praise the charm for its adorable design and the joy it brings, especially to children and possum enthusiasts. Several users mentioned that the charm looks better in person than in some online photos, and its size is perfect for hanging without obstructing the driver's view. However, some customers have expressed concerns about the quality and durability of the string used for hanging, with reports of it snapping after some use. Additionally, a few buyers were disappointed that the charm did not look exactly like the product photos, describing it as less fuzzy or resembling a rat rather than a possum. The charm's loop for hanging could be longer to better fit around larger rearview mirrors, which is a minor usability issue noted by some. Despite this, the charm remains easy to install and remove, making it a flexible decoration for various occasions, including Halloween, Christmas, or as a birthday gift. The product is also marketed as a thoughtful gift option for a wide range of recipients such as family members, friends, new drivers, and animal lovers. Its versatility extends beyond cars, as it can be used as a hanging ornament on bags, windows, doors, or even as a desk toy to brighten up workspaces and relieve stress. In terms of value, the Possum Car Charm is an affordable and light-hearted accessory that adds personality to everyday environments. While it may not be a high-tech gadget or a functional tool, its charm lies in its ability to evoke smiles and provide a small moment of delight during daily routines. Overall, the Possum Car Charm is a cute and quirky decorative item that appeals to those looking for a fun and distinctive way to personalize their car or workspace. It is especially recommended for possum lovers and anyone who enjoys whimsical, handcrafted style ornaments. Potential buyers should be aware of the mixed reviews regarding build quality and string durability, but can expect a generally pleasant and amusing addition to their car decor. If you own this charm or decide to purchase it, leaving a review in the comments helps others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for interested viewers.